back to my channel. Today is day 25 and hashtag October ATC Challenge. Hashtag Tony's October ATC Challenge. And it's hosted by Tony's Magical Arts and Crafts. Anyone can join this open collaboration every day this month. We have prompts to follow. You can do an ATC, a tag, or an index card. So today is prompt 25 and it is, what is spooky to you? Well, I love creepy things. I watch a lot of scary movies. And I guess if I seen something in real life, it would probably really spook me. But I've always been fascinated with the Grim Reaper. So that is a card that I did today. I used the Grim Reaper out of a Clutton Collage book. And so this is my card for today. Make sure to check out all the other channels, see what they have created for today, and I will see you in my next video.